Imagine a world without apples, almonds, or coffee. These are just a few of the many foods that would disappear from our tables if bees were to vanish. The thought alone is unsettling, isn't it? But this scenario isn't just a figment of our imagination. It's a potential reality we could face if we don't take action to protect these vital pollinators. It seems impossible, doesn't it? Yet the absence of bees would lead to a dramatic shift in our daily lives. Picture walking into a supermarket and finding the produce section nearly empty. The vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables replaced by barren shelves. The simple pleasure of biting into a crisp apple or savoring a morning cup of coffee would become rare luxuries. These foods, along with a third of what we eat, depend on tiny creatures we often take for granted, honeybees. These industrious insects play a crucial role in the pollination process, transferring pollen from one flower to another, enabling plants to produce fruits, seeds, and nuts. Without their tireless work, many of the foods we enjoy would simply cease to exist. These buzzing insects, with their stripy bodies and busy wings, are responsible for pollinating a vast amount of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts that we rely on. From the juicy strawberries in our desserts to the nutritious almonds in our snacks, honeybees are behind the scenes, ensuring that these foods make it to our plates. Their contribution to agriculture is invaluable, and their absence would be catastrophic. Without them, our supermarket shelves would look drastically different and our diets would be much less diverse and nutritious. The variety of foods available to us would shrink, leading to a less balanced diet and potential health issues. The economic impact would also be significant, affecting farmers, food industries, and ultimately consumers. The decline in honeybee populations is a serious threat to global food security. Factors such as habitat loss, pesticide use, climate change, and diseases are contributing to their dwindling numbers. Beekeepers around the world are witnessing alarming rates of hive losses, and the ripple effects are being felt across ecosystems and economies. It's a problem that should concern us all. The health of honeybee populations is directly linked to our own well-being. Communities are coming together to raise awareness and advocate for changes in agricultural practices, pesticide regulations, and conservation efforts. Every individual can play a part in supporting bee-friendly environments, whether by planting native flowers, reducing pesticide use, or supporting local beekeepers. Understanding the vital role these creatures play in our ecosystem is the first step towards protecting them and ensuring a healthy planet for future generations. By fostering a greater appreciation for honeybees and taking proactive measures to safeguard their habitats, we can help secure a future where both bees and humans thrive. Let's work together to create a world where these essential pollinators continue to buzz and flourish. Honeybees are fascinating creatures known for their incredible work ethic and intricate behaviors. These tiny insects are not just important for producing honey, but they also play a crucial role in pollinating plants, which is essential for the growth of many crops and wildflowers. With a complex social structure, honeybees live in colonies that can consist of tens of thousands of individuals. Each bee has a specific role to play, and their cooperation is key to the survival of the hive. Their role in the natural world is vital. By pollinating flowers, they help plants reproduce, which in turn supports entire ecosystems. Without honeybees, many plants, including those that produce fruits and vegetables, would struggle to survive. Within a hive, there are 3 types of bees: the queen, the drones, and the worker bees. Each type of bee has a unique function that contributes to the overall health and productivity of the colony. The worker bees, which are all female, are responsible for a multitude of tasks. They collect nectar and pollen, build and maintain the honeycomb, and care for the young larvae. Their teamwork and dedication are what keep the hive running smoothly. The queen bee is the heart of the hive. She's the only female that lays eggs, and she can lay thousands of eggs in a single day. Her primary role is to ensure the continuation of the colony by producing the next generation of bees. The drones are the male bees, and their sole purpose is to mate with the queen. After mating, they die, having fulfilled their role in the reproductive process. The worker bees are the backbone of the hive. They perform every other task necessary for the hive's survival, from foraging for food to defending the hive from intruders. They diligently collect nectar and pollen, which are essential for making honey and feeding the colony. They also build the intricate honeycomb structures that store honey and house the larvae. Additionally, worker bees take on the crucial task of caring for the young. They feed the larvae and ensure they grow into healthy adult bees ready to take on their roles within the hive. The life of a honeybee is a testament to the power of teamwork and the importance of each individual's contribution to the greater good. If you're a nature lover, then you need to hear this. Over the past few decades, beekeepers around the world have been reporting alarming rates of honeybee colony losses. This decline, often referred to as colony collapse disorder, is a complex issue with multiple contributing factors. Pesticides, habitat loss, climate change, and diseases are all taking a toll on bee populations. The consequences of losing honeybees are far-reaching. As pollinators, they play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity and supporting healthy ecosystems. Their decline could have a ripple effect on other species, disrupting food chains and impacting the delicate balance of nature. Pollination is the process of transferring pollen from the male part of a flower to the female part, enabling fertilization and the production of seeds and fruits. While wind and other insects play a role in pollination, honeybees are incredibly efficient at this task. As they flit from flower to flower collecting nectar and pollen, honeybees inadvertently transfer pollen grains, facilitating the reproduction of plants. This process is essential for the survival of countless plant species, including many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts that we rely on for food. The almond's buzzing partner. The almond industry, particularly in California, provides a striking example of our dependence on honeybees. Almond trees are entirely reliant on pollination to produce nuts. Every February, billions of honeybees are trucked into California's almond orchards to pollinate the blossoming trees. This mass pollination event highlights both the importance of honeybees to our food supply and the challenges they face. The long-distance transportation of bees can be stressful and may contribute to colony losses. It also underscores the need to protect and support bee populations year-round. Beyond the hive, a world of benefits. The benefits of honeybees extend far beyond the hive and the food we eat. They contribute to the health and diversity of our ecosystems in countless ways. Their pollination activities support wildflower meadows, forests, and other natural habitats, providing food and shelter for a wide range of species. Honeybees also produce valuable products like honey, beeswax, and propolis, which have been used for medicinal and practical purposes for centuries. Their contributions to our planet's health and well-being are immeasurable. The domino effect. The decline in honeybee populations is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. The loss of one species can have cascading effects on entire ecosystems, disrupting delicate balances that have evolved over millennia. It's a sobering thought, but one that should spur us to action. Protecting honeybees is not just about saving a single species, it's about safeguarding the health and well-being of our planet and future generations. It's about recognizing that we are part of a complex web of life and that our actions have far-reaching consequences. Protecting our tiny allies. There are many ways we can help protect honeybees and ensure their survival. Supporting sustainable agriculture practices, reducing pesticide use, planting bee-friendly gardens, and raising awareness about the importance of pollinators are all steps in the right direction. Even small actions can make a difference. Educating ourselves and others about the challenges facing honeybees is crucial. Supporting organizations involved in bee conservation and research can have a significant impact. Be the change. The future of honeybees, and indeed the health of our planet, depends on our collective action. Honeybees play a crucial role in pollinating the plants that produce the food we eat. Without them, our food supply would be in jeopardy, and the biodiversity of our ecosystems would suffer greatly. Let's not wait for someone else to solve this problem. Each of us has the power to make a difference, no matter how small our actions may seem. By taking initiative in our communities, we can inspire others to join us in this vital cause. Each one of us can make a difference by making conscious choices in our daily lives. From the products we buy to the food we consume, every decision we make has an impact. Choosing eco-friendly products and supporting local farmers can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Let's be mindful of the products we buy the food we eat, and the impact our actions have on the environment. Opting for organic and sustainably sourced products not only supports healthier ecosystems, but also promotes better health for ourselves and future generations. Simple actions like composting, recycling, and reducing waste can collectively make a significant difference. Every small step counts towards a larger goal of environmental sustainability. Let's choose to support sustainable practices, reduce our ecological footprint, and embrace renewable energy sources. By doing so, we can help create a more sustainable future for all living beings and advocate for policies that protect pollinators and their habitats. Supporting legislation that promotes environmental conservation and protects natural habitats is crucial for the survival of honeybees and other pollinators. Together, we can be the change we want to see in the world. Let's be the change. By uniting our efforts and working towards a common goal, we can create a brighter, more sustainable future for ourselves and the generations to come. Let's take action today and make a lasting impact.